Welcome everyone, it is Andrew from AppleInsider here. When Apple launched the new product red iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, the iPhone 10 was absent. There is no product red edition of the iPhone 10, but if you still want to get in on the cause, you love that bright color, you can check out their new iPhone 10 Folio, which got that product red treatment. Like their existing iPhone 10 Folio cases, it's made from a specially tanned European leather. In fact, the only difference between the brand new product red version is this stunning red color. The color is a bit deeper than I initially expected, especially when you look at the other product red cases. This is just slightly darker than the other leather case and significantly darker than the silicone cases. As a case by itself, it is still pretty darn awesome. This is one of my favorite cases that Apple actually makes, and they don't make that many. But it does have a pocket on the inside where you can store things like business cards, some extra cash, and then another pocket for things like credit cards. It is important to keep the credit cards in this smaller pocket on the top, just because there's a magnet in the lower left-hand corner that is used to actually auto-wake your phone. Of course, there's a camera cut out along the back for the iPhone 10's dual shooters and an embossed Apple logo. On the inside, you can see the iPhone signature and the product red designation. A portion of proceeds from all product red purchases go directly to Global Fund HIV and AIDS grants. This money goes to provide testing, counseling, treatment, and prevention programs with a specific focus on eliminating transmission of the virus from mothers to their children. Since partnering with Red, Apple has donated over $160 million to Global Fund. One of the most unique aspects of the case is the way it's able to wake and lock your phone when you open or close it, similar to a smart cover for your iPhone. And of course, you can always toggle this setting off inside the display settings on your iPhone. Even though the iPhone 10's been out for a while, there are only one or two third-party cases that can take advantage of this capability. If you don't like the Folio, but you really like the color, you don't have to worry because Apple makes other product red cases for the iPhone 10 as well as other iPhones. So obviously there's the Folio, we saw that's the leather Folio, it's exclusively available for the iPhone 10, so no other iPhones. But both the silicone case and the leather case are available for the iPhone 10, 8, 8 Plus, and even other older iPhones. The silicone case is really nice, as well as the leather one. The leather case has been one of my go-tos for quite some time. Leather is really nice, anodized buttons on the side are pretty awesome, and it holds up quite well over time. Aside from cases, Apple has a whole range of product red accessories, including Apple Watch bands, special edition Beats, and Beats Pill. So I encourage you to check out all that other stuff if it intrigues you in any way. You can find the links for that below in the description. Till next time, this has been Andrew for AppleInsider.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.